Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Vaghole, studying in Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering in Electronics and Computer Engineering. Today I will explain the four orders of nature. Let's start. What is four order of nature? The four orders in nature is a concept from the universal human value framework that explains the structure of the natural world in a holistic and interconnected way. It categorizes everything in nature into four distinct orders based on their characteristics, functions, and level of consonants. Let's see one by one four order of nature. First, material order, plant bio order, animal order, human order. First, material order. Material order refers to all inanimate, non-living entities in nature that exist physically but do not possess life or conscience. All material things unit in the material order can be understood as an activity of unit coming together to form a bigger unit. We can the composition. For example, soil, water, materials, air, physical things, characteristics, physical existence, no conscience, function, provides physical support and material based for other orders. Second, plant and bio order. Plant bioorder refers to all living entities that have a physical body and life but do not possess the ability to feel, think, or make conscience. The plant order is a basically structured made up of the material order. However, an additional activity of respiration is exhibited by the plant order. Example of plant order: plants, trees, crops. Characteristics: physical, brains, growth and disease. Function: supports animal and human life, maintains economical balance. Third, animal order. Animal order refers to all living beings that a physical body, life, basic conscience in the form of sensations but lack the ability to under or live by values consistently. When we explore the animal order, we find two fundamentally different set of activities. One set of activities is the physicochemical or activity of the body, and the order is the conscious activity of the self. Example of animal order: birds, animal, insect. Characteristics: physical, pranic, instinctual, consciousness. Function: lives with the sensations, mobility, instinct-based living. Fourth order. Human order refers to living beings that have a physical body, life, and full consciousness and the ability to think, understand, imagine, and make value-based decisions. We have already seen the human being are coexistence of a physiochemical body and a consciousness self, self or I. The activities in the human body are similar to the similar to that in the animal body, and we have see that details. Example of human order, human beings, characteristics, physical, pranic, conscious function of human order has the ability to understand and live in harmony with all organs.